You are welcome to my channel. I will be showing you at this moment on how to make money online, especially those that are beginners. I have a software or a platform which people are making money, and I've discovered it not quite long. And again, I'm into it too. So that is why I want to quickly show you on how to register on this platform and start making money online. And as you can see, the name of the platform is Owodaily. And Owodaily is a platform that is over, I think, over 30 countries now that are um, on this platform making money on it. For those that want to make extra or passive income continuously, they can use this website by doing some tasks or jobs which will help them to make money at their leisure time. Now, how can we make money on this app? If you look at the app very well, see it's a fine platform rather, and it says Owo Daily or make money working from home, Africa fastest growing digital and affiliate network. For you to become a member on this platform, you would like to open an account with them, and after you open up an account, you log into your account so that you start doing these jobs. And what are these jobs? Before we move further, we want to know some of the jobs that are on this platform. We have um YouTube channels that some YouTubers that are looking for how to grow their channel, they will come to this platform, then they will register with them. They sell their product here by registering with them, and from there, people will be doing jobs for them. And what will be the job that they will be doing? They will be liking their posts or making comment on it, even possible sharing to other social network. So doing this or helping them to do this, you will be paid for the sacrifices. So that is how this platform works. Before you become a member, I would like you to look at this platform well. Now you see we have a Owo Daily member here, and we have Owo Daily Plus affiliate. This Owo Daily member is whereby you register with some of our money. Remember, you before you make money, you have to spend a little of money if possible. Yes, you don't just wake up one day and start looking for how to make money online without spending a less of money. So you want to devote or make that sacrifice to spend little before you get money. Now on this platform, on this Owo Daily member, you are to use amount or um, a price before you could become a member. Now this is the amount of money that you like to use before you become a member fully or being verified. For that Owo Daily member, which is this one that you are seeing here, before you could become a member, you like to register with 3,000 naira, and it's one-time membership fee that you have to pay. So by the time you pay this money, you're able to work on this platform as a verified member. Now, if you want to work as an affiliate on this platform, that is when you become an Owo Daily Plus affiliate, and that one you are expected to pay 10,000 naira. Now, what is Owo Daily Plus affiliate? Owo Daily Plus affiliate is whereby you personally invite someone to this platform, and you will earn a commission, that is additional money. By the time you work or you do a job on this platform, then you also refer someone, That is additional money. So you see now, to do this will help you to earn amount of money. Now the other platform or the other one is seller account setup. Now this one is whereby you you pay money on this platform so as to sell your products or services. Now these are the setup. Now look at the first category. You see the members. That is when you'll be paying 3,000 naira. Now if you go for the Owodaily Plus, um whereby you'll be inviting someone to this affiliate to be an affiliate, or whereby you invite person by using your affiliate link to get a high commission. That is where you use this one that is called Ogo Daily Plus. Then this one that is categorized, that is the sellers. This is when you sell your product or services on this platform. So these are the three categories in which you can make extra money on this platform. Now, how are we to register on this platform? Before you become a verified member, as I said before, you have to register. I'm already a registered member here, but for the sake of this tutorial, I want to show you on how to register on this platform. First, you log in. Let's good. This is the member registration where you will register yourself. Now you want to sign up. Now how are you to do it? It's just like the normal registration you do on other platforms. The full name, that is your name, your email, your phone number, the country you reside, the state you reside, and your account name. Remember that this account name is not what you will not be scared about it, that people will be hacking my account or they want to take my account details. No, just like the normal account detail that you send to people if you want to receive our money. That is why you have to put your account name here. And after putting your account name and your account details, when you are done with that job, that is when you will be notified and your money will be sent to you directly to your account. So if you do not put your account name or your account details, your money will not be sent to you after you have done that work. Then the username that you would like to be using on this platform, or you also put it there. Your password to secure it. Yeah, if you are a male or you are a female, you have to also categorize that too. Your date of birth is very important. Then you select your bank name. If it is First Bank, Zenith Bank, whatever bank that you use, you put it there so that you'll be paid when you have worked on this platform. Now, this particular one is your account number. Yes, you put your account number here, and then you come to this play, this box by ticking it. I agree to the terms and conditions for this membership. Then you tick this box, then you submit your registration. By the time you have finished doing that, you'll be notified by your email that yes, you have successfully registered on this platform and you are a verified member after you must have paid that amount of money. So I just opened my own 2 days ago. That's why I saw that it's something that can earn money. I have my account already. I'll be going straight to my account to show you on how to work on this platform. Now let's assume you have been verified after you have must have been sent an email, sent a message to your email. Then you have verified yourself as a member. You let's log in. Let's assume you are already verified. Then we are logging into the account now. Like the network is bad. Let's wait. Okay, it's up now. Now this is my um account. So I want to log in myself. Let's wait for it to load. Now this is the account. This is the platform rather. So you can see jobs here that you can do. Please, before we move forward, subscribe to my channel, which is very important so that whenever I drop awesome videos like this, you'll be notified. So it's very important that you subscribe to my channel. The available jobs. This will the job here say the first job is subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on notification bell. You'll be paid 10 naira. Now some people will say, how much is 10 naira? 10 naira is too small. Just imagine 10 naira. You do this job, and for 10 times 10 naira, then you do, even if it's not the same job, but 10 naira for about 100 times. You know how much it is? Now, this thing that we're talking about, it is before you're able to get amount of some amount of money that will be reasonable, it is less than 2 hours. So if you are a committed type, you're able to do an hour, and you know how much you will earn if you do an hour. There are people that are working here and are using this as a side hustle, of which they are paying them and they are earning money. So if you try it, you see, you will earn money as it is. So try it. It's very, very helpful. Be- That does not mean that you leave your business. You can also do your business, but by the time you set this aside as a passive income, then you'll be happy at least to use the money to buy some certain things that you are in need of. It is not only naira work that is here or job that is here. There are other jobs that are high when it comes to price. Now, if you look at this, we have 20 naira here, 250, 250, 240. Now, you go down, you have the one of 200, you see, 350. It depends, 100 naira. So you have to choose the one that you're able to do. And we also want to, let's take for example, we want to take the one of subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. Let's assume you want to do this job, you apply for it like this. Okay, yes. Remember, before you do any job, you have to read the job instruction carefully. You read it carefully. This one says, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on notification bell for 10 naira. Now, when you are done, it says subscribe to okay, we have done that before. Then when you start a job, after you have done that, you have to submit a proof that shows that you have done this job. Now, what are you to do? You are to send a screenshot and the name on your YouTube that shows yes, you have done this job. After which you go below, then you submit your proof and you wait for verification. You get it? You wait for them to uh, verify you or approve you rather that you have done this job, and it will definitely reflect on this page. You can see my dashboard. I told you before that I just started it. Okay, just 2 days 2 days ago, and of which I'm not even doing this as um a major work, but I just want to use it to show the people on how they can make money on this platform. So try it, and you see the uh, how it will pay you. And you can also win a car. Yes, it's another prize here. And how can you win a car? If you invite members, you will earn how much? It's 1,600 naira. Just imagine you invite one person after you must have paid that 15,000 naira for that particular plan or particular the Owodaily plus. You invite one person, you earn 1,600 naira. So it is when you continue to invite people more and more, and they see the way that the invitees are, the population of them, that is when they will tell you how to win this car. And I'm going to win this car by the time I walk towards it. So I want you to walk towards it. You might be the first person that will win this car before me if you work hard very well. So that is how the platform is. It's very simple and it's easy to do. Once again, you subscribe to my channel, as I said before, so that awesome video like this, if I drop it, you'll be notified immediately. You'll be the first person to be notified. And please, you can also use the link below to register on this platform. Yes, so that you'll be verified quickly. It's very important. Use that link to um, register, and immediately you'll be verified. So thank you for watching, and see you, and have a nice day.